Greetings.
Children, behave.
Hello.
Alright, go get him, boys.
Yeah.
Objective A.
There he goes, rolling off into the sunset.
See.
Oh god.
Enemy turret destroyed.
Alright. My shield's gone.
Marked by the
Fine,
I have
try to
100.
heal the X-ray. I can't aim.
Okay, I went top right.
See that which is unseen. Wagateki wo kurao!
What the dragon?
Shield's half. I'm gonna go left side with dragons.
Never second enemy turret destroyed.
Got Torb.
Oh, I'm gonna die.
I'm gonna probably die here.
Yeah, I can't. I can't heal you. You're
Yeah, I'm
anti-healing.
purple.
See through the dragon's eyes.
Thanks for the heals.
Okay, Bastion's got it.
Go around right. Hog is loading. I'm anti again. Liana.
Marked by the dragon.
Alright, easy.
My ultimate is charging.
Oh, somebody's coming for me. I hear it.
The objective is mine.
Objective A.
Suck 'em dry, big boy.
Alright, my shield's gone. All the way gone.
Oh god. I'm trying
Just
to heal
gonna
you.
shatter at 1%.
See.
Oh god, I'm coming. So
I have no shield here, I'm gonna try to shatter. Got Ana, Torb is super low. Dead. I'm so dead.
Oh god, I couldn't help you.
Yeah.
Almost
I
got my nano
hooked
boost. I
into
got my
the
nano
turret.
boost. Oh god, I can't kill you. Oh fuck.
Bastion, why aren't you riding cart?
See that need healing.
Somebody's flanking us here.
Need healing.
Beside you. I saw it.
You have my thanks. See through the dragon's eyes.
Go get him, Gravy. I'm gonna nano boost you as soon as we get closer.
Hog is top left.
Oh boy.
Beating but not pushing cart. Shut up, Bastion. Set up on cart, you little bitch.
Wagateki wo kurao!
Do your job.
Get him, Gravy!
I'm hooked.
There's a hamster
I'm
ball.
purple. I'm full.
Yeah,
so
I can't.
fucking dead.
Yeah. I was getting
Oh,
melted.
there was spooge behind me. I didn't see that. It's like one little spot.
Sick ball action, bro. Doing great. I don't even know how to fucking control that goddamn hamster.
Very careful.
Go here.
I'm hooked again. Yes, fucking suck it. Oh,
God damn, you died fast. Yeah, I
I got purpled and then I died instantly.
Right, go out on the bridge. I can't. I'm trying. I promise. I
Worst Bastion.
tried to shoot the ball man, but I can't.
I've secured the payload. Let's move it out.
No! That fucking wall was so perfectly timed.
I'm getting sucked dry over here.
Soldier's nanoed.
Oh, I got my
Man's
nano boost
freezing.
up. Behind you guys.
I'm dead. Dead. More behind us.
Yeah. Yep.
Trying to fight the front line.
Dying.
Easy.
I don't know what this Bastion is even doing.
Nice. Get eyes ready.
I'll believe.
Don't move. That sounds up.
Shield's 800. Nice.
Hey, Gravy.
Hi.
Anna. Kill that soldier. Raw hog behind us. And a soul jar.
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
Okay.
Move up here.
Gotta stop screaming.
Bastion finally got a
2 a.m.
couple of prelims. They do have.
I'm on a roll.
No, he's behind us.
Florida man.
I'm riding the cart with that.
Shield 600, 300, gone.
That hooks me from that far away, dude. Holy shit.
I feel like I'm lagging dick off over here.
Got 300 gone. 100.
Watch for hog left side.
Outside, dude.
I need healing.
Reaper go.
He's still behind us.
Oh my god, are you kidding me, dude? Oh, it's 6 people looking at me at one time.
Thanks, Google man. Roast that. Got it. Oh, yeah. Almost got my hand.
Oh, okay.
What the fuck? I hit a little piece of shitty
Alright,
fence
pull
and
back.
I fucking get stuck on
Take
it.
more. The ultimate's ready.
Oh my god.
Nano boost is charging. Help me. The payload so
Hey, squirt. Okay.
Hog's looking for stairs.
Alright. I got a nano boost ready. Gravy can
We're down DPS.
Hog is hog. Oh my god. Are you fucking
go out there and get him, Gravy. 1, 2, 3, go!
not ready? I get hooked.
I don't care. You fight. Sleep.
Oh, there we go. Dead.
Oh, this is a shield. I couldn't shoot it.
That's big. That's a big grab. Nice.
Oh yeah, boy.
Big combo. Huge fucking combo.
get into position.
Can't yell. Suck him off.
Never had it.
Nice.
Victory.
Yeah. Oh, you got the glam skin for the
Play
warrior?
of the game.
The, the Bowie skin?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, fuck him. He's a gold border using Bastion and he's doing fucking nothing.
Where is this
Don't tell us how
happening?
to
I don't see
fucking
it.
play the game. I saw you get 2 fucking kills the entire game.
I didn't even. Oh, stop walking in there. I didn't even see that. I just saw you. I just thought you were talking to one of us.
No.
Dude.
Stop walking in there. What do you want me to do?
let him take the payload back.
You have to press W to win this game. You can't just sit there as a Bastion.